We are in a golden information age where integration of wireless smart devices make our daily lives easier, link us globally with family and friends, and provide access to unlimited information all at our fingertips. Industries across the globe exploit these same technologies to enhance the consumer experience and automate business processes to increase efficiency, data accuracy, and information sharing. The same technologies are used by the United States government to improve communication and data accuracy in support of our men and women in the field. And while this technology is virtually ubiquitous, current verification regimes under non-proliferation and disarmament agreements have yet to make the digital transition. These regimes rely heavily on paper and pencil processes and require significant human involvement. Since the 1960s, the United States has participated with the international community in enacting arms control treaties, each contributing to global security and stability by limiting the development, production, stockpiling, and deployment of various types of weapons. On April 5, 2009, in Prague, President Obama confirmed the commitment of the United States to, quote, seek the peace and security of a world without nuclear weapons, end quote, thereby challenging the non-proliferation community to seek new and innovative ways to achieve this goal.
Future non-proliferation and disarmament agreements may involve larger numbers of items subject to verification, include additional provisions to enhance transparency, and may extend to states not currently engaged in arms control. These changes will require us to embrace innovative solutions to enhance the way we utilize monitoring and verification methods and implement future agreements more efficiently, with greater transparency, and at lower cost.
The question that remains is, how? Automated reporting systems have the potential to transform treaty verification regimes. These systems use sensors to wirelessly transmit information between an object and a reader and then communicate this information to a remote database. Radio frequency identification, or RFID, is a type of automated reporting technology. RFID uses radio waves to transfer a unique identifier between a tag and a reader. The reader communicates this information to a remote database, which triggers a notification. To demonstrate the timeliness, accuracy, and economics of automated reporting systems to treaty verification regimes, an RFID-based system comprised of commercially available technology and components has been applied to 3 treaty scenarios. In a production scenario, a technician uses a reader to scan and read the unique identifier of each asset tag and communicates its information to a local or treaty-mandated database. This database autonomously notifies treaty partners of asset creation, removing the human element, and in the process, increasing data accuracy and efficiency. In the demonstration system, this entire process, from scan to notification, took less than 20 seconds, whether the communications link was a local network or transmission via satellite. In a transport scenario, as assets are moved from one location to another, a reader positioned at the facility exit scans each RFID asset tag, couples each unique identifier with the reader's GPS location, and sends this information over satellite to the treaty-mandated database. As a further proof of concept, the demonstration system successfully captured, with a 100% success rate, the unique identifier of an RFID tag mounted on a small plane as it came into land. The captured data was transmitted via satellite to a remote database and an email notification triggered. Via this demonstration, it is easy to imagine how future implementations could include real-time email notifications to specific members within the non-proliferation community as assets are moved from one location to another. In an inspection scenario, the demonstration system offers inspectors ruggedized mobile devices that link an asset's unique identifier with the local database. Advances in device technology and application software puts the warehouse inventory at the inspector's fingertips. Integration of RFID tags on assets allows inspectors to effortlessly count and record assets in a short time. The on-site inspection process can be enhanced by increasing efficiency in an otherwise labor-intensive process while instilling greater confidence and transparency.
Commercially available technologies can be configured to create an innovative and flexible solution to partially automate treaty verification regimes. The right combination of technologies, whether they are mature or are still in development, can achieve the next level of efficiency and transparency required of future verification challenges. Utilizing technology such as RFID is the kind of innovative approach that can help us break out of the old arms control implementation paradigm and bring treaty inspection and verification processes into the 21st century.
Rose Gottmiller, the Undersecretary of Arms Control and International Security, is an advocate of applying new technologies to old problems.
All of these challenges have been out there for a long time, but they're now suddenly becoming more ripe, I think, because we're trying to begin to grapple with some of them at the negotiating table. And for that reason, it's, I think, very important to be thinking in new ways about how we confront arms control monitoring and verification.
The time is now to begin the conversation on bringing treaty verification and monitoring into the 21st century.